Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down design tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to export SVG from Figma in 2025. If you're a designer or developer, you know SVGs are a game changer for scalable, high-quality graphics that work perfectly across devices. By the end of this video, you'll be exporting SVGs like a pro, saving time and ensuring your projects look sharp. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Figma installed. 2025 updates have made exporting even smoother with new optimization options. Start by opening your Figma file and navigating to the design you want to export. Select the element or frame you're interested in. You can do this by clicking on it or using the Layers panel for precision. Next, head over to the right-hand sidebar and click on the Export tab. Here, you'll see a list of export options. Look for the Format dropdown and select SVG. Figma's 2025 interface now includes advanced settings like trim paths or remove raster effects to keep your SVGs clean and lightweight. Definitely check those if you're optimizing for web use. Once you've chosen SVG, you can adjust the scale or add suffixes if needed. Hit the Export button and voila! Your file will download to your computer. If you run into issues, like distorted shapes, double-check that your selection is vector-based. Figma handles these best. A quick tip. For better compatibility, use the Flatten option if your design has complex groups. And remember, SVGs are perfect for icons and logos, helping reduce file sizes without losing quality. There you have it. That's how you export SVG from Figma in 2025. Give it a try on your next project and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.